Hey y'all, it's Rachel back again with some more nail content, and today I have a special package from Betty Cora, okay?
Cora.
Yeah, hello, my dear, yes.
Cora.
Yes, ma'am.
Where the hell you at?
I'm going to show you guys the website over here, and they have decided to make me an affiliate partner with them. So if you guys make an order from Betty Cora, I will receive a commission from that. But it's right up our alley, girls. It is definitely on brand, and it is my style. So you guys know that I love to wear nails, and you also know that I love to go bowling. Or maybe you don't know, but now you know. If you don't know, now you know. If I know that a bowling session is coming up between me and the family members, I will not put on a brand new full set of 10XL nails, because you know you can't bowl when you got long nails. I do put on like some affordable, accessible press-ons when I know that I'm going to go bowling, and I'll wear the press-ons for the full 2 weeks most of the time, unless, you know, so many nails pop off that I can't manage. But most of the time I keep all the extra press-on nails. I lost the light, so I had to move you in closer. Okay, so anyways, I don't even know what I was saying because I lost the light and the dog jumped off the bed and now the cameras are rocking. It's a whole mess, you guys. I picked all of these out myself on the website, and I am wearing, if you have noticed my nails today, I am wearing a Betty Cora nail set. Well, come up here. Come on. Oh yeah, good girl. Ugh, you better not pee on my bed, you little turkey lurkey. Okay, I'm trying to show them my nails. So this, I burned myself on the oven the other day, but I gotta get the right way in the light here. This is my set of press-on Betty Cora nails.
Cora.
It has a little dangly bling on the ring finger. It's so freaking cute. And I had Casey pick out this set. I showed him all of the nails that I had to choose from, and he picked this set. So I thought that it was really, really cute. I don't know if I have the name of the set. Oh shit. I'm not seeing names for the sets, so I think I'm safe because I think I already got rid of the box. I really hope that you guys don't mind playing dogs in the background or the noise that they're making, because hopefully you're just getting the vibes that it's me and you just hanging out and I'm showing you some stuff, because that's really what's going on. It's storming outside. I have 3 dogs behind me acting like complete fools. So anywho, all right, let's look at our first set. I'm going to show you both of these at the same time because they're kind of like in the same vein. But I got 2 really short sets, and that's because I just wanted to experiment with it. I haven't worn like a really short set in a really long time, and I know that you guys know that this rainbow design is very, very popular. It was really coming in the spring and summertime, and I living for it, obviously. I'm a Lisa Frank 90s girl, so a sticker collector, never a sticker adherer, but I've been sticking stickers on stuff left and right in my old age though, you guys. So these are 2 really, really, really cute designs. Also, French manicures are back in like a super big way. And I remember there for a while, like if you wore a French manicure, you were lame as fuck, okay? I remember that, okay, ladies? So now that it's back, it's kind of exciting. It's scary. I don't know what to do. I feel like old as fuck or something when I'm wearing them, because it makes me think back to when I went to prom. Oh my God. I think I had a French tip when I got married too, but I just felt like that's what you needed to do when you get married. You get a French tip. So those are, and the packaging is really cute. All of it comes with its own little bitty nail file, your glue, and also some little gel tabs if you just want to do press on and you don't want to glue them. This next set is like a medium length set, and it's more of like a geometric design. I really liked it. I have trouble. I've been trying to do some of this nail art myself. Nobody respects me in this home, you guys. Like, nobody respects me. It's just madhouse. I've been seeing a lot of nail art similar to this on like my nail Instagram feed, and obviously my nails that I'm seeing are like XXXL stuff that people are doing. But this is a great way. I'm telling you, I don't know of a lot of times when my nails grow out that I do have time to do a set. So these are usually getting thrown on for like 3 or 4 days before I have time to put on like a full set. These like get me to my next manicure, but these that I've been wearing, I think I've been wearing them for 4 days now, and they're still going very strong. So this next set I picked out because sometimes you have to go to like a business thing and you need a muted set of nails and you need them fast. So that is why I picked this. One of the nails has actually fallen down, and like you can't see, but it's actually a French tip. We were just speaking about French tips, and you can see that it has like some floral filigree type design. Did I accidentally flip that one over? I don't think that was me doing that. And there's actually like a little bit of gold accent, and there's like a little bit of sage green accent there. Just a really pretty, muted, professional wedding-ish guest, you know, or shit, your own wedding. What do I know? And then last but not least, this is like my favorite medium almond set out of this whole deal that I ordered. It's the one that I would have picked to put on if I was picking nails. I saved the best for last, but this is like a pale rainbow, like shooting stars, very Care Bears-esque feeling, but also very feminine, pink. You know the deal. I'm going to be showing, maybe I should take some pictures and like show them over here in the corner or whatever, because I don't know how good of a job that's doing. That's it. So I got like the 2 short rainbow ones, the geometric design, the emergency business nails, and the really super cute Care Bear design, and I like them all. And the current set that I'm wearing, the baby blue faded French with a little bit of geometric design and a bojangle. So if you guys wear press-on nails, or if you haven't done your nails in a really long time and you want to do your nails, this is a great way to do your nails quickly and be out the door and have a great set that people are going to compliment. I've had at least 3 compliments on this set of nails that I have with Betty Cora. Anyways, I hope you guys really like it. Check out all the links in the description down below. Use my coupon code, which will be right here on the bottom of the screen, and it will also be in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. Later, taters. Bye. Did that wear you out, bub? Was that all of that you could handle? You don't like the nail reviews? I don't like the nail reviews? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I did a fat little croissant. Are you a fat little croissant? Oh my god. Oh my gosh.